Welcome to Max on the Block. So in today's video, we'll be covering the 101 crypto fundamentals and 5 things you need to know to get started. So first of all, a lot of people have been treating cryptocurrencies like traditional stocks. They've only been looking at it purely for a wealth generation perspective. And this is already where a lot of things have gone wrong, and I believe this is why we are in the mess today. Take this example. If you're investing into stocks and you're buying automobile company XYZ, they usually sell 30,000 cars in 3 months. However, they've had an issue with their equipment line or with one of their suppliers, and things have been slow. So instead of selling 30,000 cars in the first quarter, they've only sold 20,000. So they're missing a whole third. But now what this happens is means that their performance has been affected, and at the same time their revenue has been affected. Now when this happens, it's natural for investors to obviously anticipate a drop in price, so they sell, or vice versa. They expect it to go up and they buy. Now, what you need to understand with cryptocurrencies is that price action does not reflect the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies. For stocks, price reflects performance. With cryptocurrencies, it's not like that. It's offering you technology that's empowered by you as a user and by all the participants in the network. Make sure you don't use the same mentality that you do with stocks in cryptos. Step 2 is finite supply. Now what I mean by this is that Bitcoin has a set number of coins that will ever be produced and be in circulation. That means in the year 2140, there will be a maximum of 21 million in circulation ever. That's all the Bitcoins we're ever going to get, and make a note of that. Because when that happens, I want you just to picture that everyone is going to want to have a piece of that technology. Everyone wants to be involved and wants to use it for whatever purpose they have. Consider that, maybe 90% of people in the whole world might not have access to that technology. So think about that for a sec, let that sink in. Step 3 is going to be means of payment. So where can I actually use my Bitcoin? Take this for example. In Japan, over 300,000 merchants have accepted Bitcoin as a means of payment. That means they accept Bitcoin. So I can go to Japan and I don't have to switch my cryptocurrencies into the local currency to be able to buy something, buy a good. I can go into one of those stores and buy a physical product with Bitcoin. Now, depending on where you are as well, so in Amsterdam and in Vienna, there's a store called House of Nakamoto. They're basically offering Bitcoin ATMs where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and you can buy all of the merchandise with cryptocurrencies. The last point I'd say here is, guys, check out coinmap.org. I'll leave a link below, but coinmap.org gives you a great idea of the places and the merchants that accept cryptocurrency payments in your city. Step 4 is going to be about the decentralized nature, the technology that you're investing into. The whole idea is that I'm able to send you money online from my phone to yours, or my computer straight to yours. Now when that happens, usually we need someone to verify our payment, whether that's a bank, payment provider. Someone is always looking to allow you or to verify your transaction. Now with decentralization, the whole system is not powered by one company. It's powered by a global network of all the users that participate in the system. So that means Bitcoin has no borders. Bitcoin has no opening hours. It's all about being transparent, and the best thing is that I can do it from my phone whenever I want to, to whomever I want to, and it's private, guys, so you're not being watched. That's what's really important to me as well. The founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, wants you to be in full possession of your money. He wants you to be in full control of your funds as well. So when you're buying cryptocurrencies, when you're storing them, that whole process has a deeper meaning to it. Now, we haven't gone into wallets yet, but I will make sure to do that in another video. Point 5 is going to be that price action does not reflect fundamentals in cryptocurrencies. What I mean here is that, yes, we've all seen Bitcoin going up till 20,000, down to 7,000, and then going up and down again and taking huge swings. But what you guys need to understand is that even if it's high up or if it's very low, the technology, the way it works, the way it functions is not affected by that. That's purely noise, market manipulation, and other things that might throw off people considering investing at a low price or a high price, guys. So you have to understand that the fundamentals don't change. I can still send money to a friend of mine in need on the other side of the world, and he can do the same for me. So in my opinion, even if Bitcoin is at $1 or $1 million, God hope, it won't make a difference. The concept and the way it works, the way it does transactions for you and everything else stays the same. That's not affected. So please keep a note of that, because that is really important when you get started. Now guys, to wrap it up, I just want to say the whole idea of cryptocurrencies is that we can't keep treating it like regular stocks. We have to understand the deeper meanings. We have to see it for what it is, and that is a new technology. And all of us together have to empower that new technology, because at the end of the day, we're all contributors to that network. So having this said, guys, the next video is going to be some more introductions about how you can start looking at projects and coins on a very simple website, and I will make sure to guide you guys through that. So having this said, guys, I hope you've taken some good information in. I hope this content has been meaningful and valuable to you. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below, guys. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so as well. And last but not least, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, and take care.
That's me.